Do it. Yeah. Did you have fun?
What you gotta ask me?
Did you have fun?
Yes.
What did you do?
We danced and played and danced.
How would you describe the music?
Beautiful and entertaining.
How was the selection?
Very good. He was a very good DJ. And I had a great time.
How would you rate it?
A 10,000. Then 1,000. Wanna ask me more questions?
What kind of music did you
Would you
play?
recommend him to your friends?
Yes, I would recommend him to my friends because he is a great DJ. And I had a very good time. It was really fun.
How did you like the light show?
The lights were amazing.
What about the video?
That was pretty cool. That's not, nobody has ever did that before. I was kind of happy about that.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.